Mastering Market Volatility, Top Investment Strategies for 2025. We're going to break down diversification, explore global opportunities, and pinpoint those explosive growth sectors. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This is the cornerstone of any solid portfolio diversification. We're talking about spreading your risk, folks. Stocks are your thoroughbreds, your potential for high growth, but you also need those workhorses, the bonds, providing stability and balance. And let's not forget real estate. ETFs like Vanguard Real Estate have got you covered. Diversification is your safety net, your shock absorber when the market throws a curveball. Global investments, the world is your oyster. Too many investors get stuck in their own backyard. The US market is great, but it's not the only game in town. Think Alibaba, Samsung, companies dominating their industries overseas. ETFs like iShares MSCI Emerging Markets let you tap into these booming economies with a single click. It's like having a passport to profits. Remember, diversification isn't just about different asset classes, it's about geographical diversification too. The world is your oyster, so get out there and start shucking. Sector-specific diversification balancing growth and stability. You gotta have a mix of those high-growth sectors and the steady eddies that keep chugging along. On the growth side, technology is still king. AI, cloud computing, these are the industries of the future. But you also need that stability. Those companies that pay the bills even when times get tough. Sector diversification is about finding that sweet spot between growth and stability, between risk and reward. Alright, let's talk about those high-growth sectors that get my blood pumping. Technology is still a no-brainer. Solar energy, energy storage, this is where the smart money is going. These are the mega trends that will define the next decade. Safe haven assets, protecting your hard-earned cash. Now let's talk about protecting your hard-earned cash, especially when inflation is rearing its ugly head. Think of them as your financial bunker, your shield against economic turmoil. First up, we've got Treasury inflation-protected securities, or TIPS for short. Then there's gold, the classic safe haven asset. And for instant access to your cash, high-yield savings accounts from Marcus by Goldman Sachs or Ally Bank are your best bet. Safe haven assets are your way to protect your capital and sleep soundly at night, no matter what the market throws your way. Bitcoin, the digital gold rush of 2025. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the asset that everyone's buzzing about, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a history of booming after its halving cycles, and guess what? 2025 is a halving year. Bitcoin is not for everyone, but if you're willing to stomach the volatility, it could be your ticket to outsized returns in 2025. Risk management, protecting your portfolio from the unexpected. Risk management isn't sexy, but it's what separates the amateurs from the pros. It's about protecting your portfolio from those unexpected market swings. First up, rebalancing. Take profits and reinvest in underperforming sectors to maintain that balance. Next, stop-loss orders are your best friend. Set a price below your purchase price, and if the stock tanks, boom, it automatically sells, limiting your losses. Risk management isn't about avoiding risk altogether. It's about managing it, minimizing losses, and protecting your hard-earned gains. Take control of your financial future. By understanding market uncertainty, diversifying investments, focusing on growth sectors, and leveraging safe haven assets and Bitcoin, you can navigate 2025's volatile market with confidence. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more actionable advice, and share it with fellow investors. Together, let's thrive in 2025.